All right, so I just wanted to give you a quick tip about the togglers. I'm going to use the 1/4 inch. This is the 5/16 inch bag, but I'm going to show you a trick with the 1/4 inch ones. I'm just hanging up the simple shelf. I marked it already, but I'm going to show you again. You know, just put the bullet level, whatever level you have, and you know, take a Sharpie, black, red, whatever, mark the holes. And then here's the important part, and that's why I wanted to do the whole video, is start with an 1/8 inch drill. Okay, I drilled these two. It's easy to line it up perfectly with the hole, okay? And again, usually when you're going in and out of sheetrock, the drill bit won't heat up, so you don't have to worry about getting, but use caution anyway. And the reason why I tell you to use the skinny drill bit first is so when you use the 1/4 inch, which is the fatty, okay? We're going to use a 1/4 inch bit for the anchors, all right? It won't walk to the side when you start it on a flat wall. Okay, so we're using the 1/4 inch anchors, 1/4 inch drill. And what I like about this is you can move the drill, you'll feel it fall right into the hole, so it won't walk either way. Okay? So and another tip is don't ream out the hole, just go in and out and that's it. So move this around, you'll fall into that, the pre-drill hole. In and out, don't make it wider because then these will start spinning. All right, and then tap these babies in. You notice they have a fin on the side to keep them from spinning. Okay, so there you go. There's those fins, okay, and those keep it from spinning in the wall. So that's why you don't want to make the hole wider. So I'm gonna throw that in there. You know, nice hit on both, and we're ready to rock and roll. All right, if this helped you out, appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up.